Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file sales tax. First, you need to understand your state's specific sales tax requirements. Every state has unique rules, so it's crucial to register and obtain a sales tax permit or license before you start collecting. This permit is your legal authorization to collect sales tax from customers. You'll also need to determine your filing frequency, which could be monthly, quarterly, or even annually, depending on your sales volume. Getting these foundational steps right makes the entire process much smoother. Once you're registered, the next step is collecting sales tax. You'll need to collect the appropriate sales tax rate at the point of sale for all taxable goods and services you offer. It's absolutely essential to keep meticulous records of every single sale, clearly distinguishing between taxable and non-taxable transactions. Many businesses use accounting software to automate this. Remember to keep the sales tax you collect separate from your regular business income. It's not your money, but rather funds held in trust for the state. Now, let's talk about calculating and reporting. At the end of your filing period, you'll need to total your gross sales and the exact amount of sales tax you've collected. Don't forget to identify any allowable deductions, such as sales made to tax-exempt organizations or returned merchandise. Most states provide a specific sales tax return form, which you'll fill out with these figures. Many states also offer online portals, making the calculation and submission process straightforward and often error-free. Finally, it's time for payment and deadlines. Once your return is complete, submit it along with your payment by the specified due date. These deadlines are strict, and missing them can result in penalties, interest charges, or both. Many states offer various payment methods, including electronic funds transfer, which is often the quickest and most secure. To avoid any issues, consider setting up automatic reminders or even automatic payments if your state allows it. Staying organized ensures a smooth and compliant sales tax process.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.